A House Solon wants an investigation into the death of former DPWH Undersecretary Maria Catalina Cabral. Meanwhile, other lawmakers are calling for further protection of witnesses, suspects, and other personalities linked to anomalous flood control projects. Our Mela Lesmoras reports.
3 months ago, former DPWH Undersecretary Maria Catalina Cabral even appeared before the House Infrastructure Committee during their hearing on the anomalous flood control projects in the country. There, she addressed the issues being thrown against their agency and repeatedly denied having any involvement in alleged budget insertions that supposedly enabled funding for the flood control scandal.
I would not know, Your Honor, kung paano ho nagkakaroon ng insertion after the NEP. I would trust the wisdom of Congress up to the bicameral conference. Ang trabaho lang naman po ng DPWH ay implement ng tama yung mga proyektong lalabas sa General Appropriations Act.
However, last night, many were shocked by her sudden passing. According to House Senior Deputy Minority Leader Edgar Erice, he will file a resolution in the House on Monday to investigate what happened to Cabral. He said he has doubts about the testimony of Cabral's driver and that what happened can be considered a mystery.
Illogical yung kwento ng driver eh. Ikaw ba kung may driver ka? Ikaw mismo, nagpababa ka, 3 o'clock, sa gubat, iiwanan ka, tapos mag-iisip ka lang, tapos lalayo siya at babalik siya after 2 hours. Medyo dapat mag-aalala ka na, lalo na alam mo na may problema yung amo mo.
Meanwhile, Akbayan Party List Representative Percy Sendanya said Cabral's death has indeed raised several serious questions. That is why closer scrutiny is needed.
Who will benefit most from her death? Will the truth die with her? Will she be the fall guy in this grand corruption scandal? In the interest of integrity and continuity of the investigations, we call for the immediate securing of all her relevant digital records. The government must further guarantee the safety of all witnesses, suspects, and persons of interest.
For now, the House Infrastructure Committee has extended its condolences to Cabral's bereaved family and loved ones. They also said that this time should be devoted to mourning by those she left behind.
Darating po yung araw para pag-usapan po yung mga consequences ng kanya pong pagkamatay dito po sa ongoing investigation sa flood control probe. Pero tingin po natin hindi po ito yung araw po na yon.
Mela Lesmoras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.